Can you redo it for me?
Well, let's put it this way. You don't have to keep it if you don't want it.
Well, it's not on mine. It's on mine.
Did Daddy like his bracelet?
Yeah. He cried yesterday because the other one that Melissa gave him broke.
I didn't give it to him.
He cried.
He took it, and then I gave it to him.
He cried. Like a big
Oh, they
baby.
shed really bad, by the way.
I'm allowed to poop on you.
And he poops on everybody. And everything.
That one's not the one that bites, though.
Alright.
I think she might get it soon.
Yeah, but there's more tape on the box. Look at the edges.
Why didn't you just go get a nice and cook all the...
The box is finally going to give in and come out from the top.
I think that's the boss that delegates to Wayne one year. Yeah, I got.
No! You can look at me. Not that funny.
I like that.
It's up to the white pot.
Damon.
Or their hole in it.
Yeah, stab it.
No.
The top.
Keep going.
The top, honey. The top. Yeah. You might actually...
What was in the big box?
You ain't gonna buy
Big
it.
bag. Switches?
I knew they got me. I did it! Dude! That thing is almost took a bite out of that guinea pig.
Hold up for a pair of pants.
Look at that dog scared of the guinea pig.
Try.
You went through all that.
Show me what it is.
Show it.
Oh, he ate the shit. He ate the shit. He ate the shit.
Oh.
Oh,